Hi, I'm Michelle Bernard, fitness and lifestyle coach. I've been wandering the world, living my dream, giving art to everyone I meet, hoping you'll tell me your story and dance with me. I've been training like crazy, training people's bodies, training my body, children too. Been vibing around the world, connecting with people, getting happier as I go, spreading happiness as I go. My big takeaways? Your imagination penetrates your life. And we need each other. I've had tons of schooling, but real living and deep feeling has taught me more than all the courses and classes combined. I am here for you to help you get fit, to help you trust yourself, to help you live above ordinary. You know, sometimes they call me the revivalist, but you can call me Michelle Bernard. Contact me for fitness coaching, speaking engagements, and workshops.